Today in this video I show you how to fix front camera not working on Android. For this you have to open settings app, and the first thing you need to do is scroll down to find apps. Now if you are having problem of front camera not working on app like Snapchat, Chrome browser or any other app, then open the app in which you are having problem and try to clear data or cache. Click on clear cache. Now click on OK. Click on manage space and then click on clear data including accounts, bookmark or saved settings. Now click on OK. You can also try to force stop the app in which you are having camera problem. If your camera is still not working after doing all these, you can also try to update the app in Google Play Store and make sure that you allow camera permission on these apps. Now if your camera app is not working properly, then you can go back and find camera app in this. Open camera app. Try to clear data in cache. Click on clear cache and then click on OK. Now click on clear all data. If the app is not working properly, then click on force stop. Click on OK. You can also check app permissions. Click on it and make sure that all permissions are allowed. If you're still having problem, then you can reset your smartphone or else take it to the service center and any specialist who knows how to fix this camera problem. So by doing these methods, you can fix front camera not working on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.